Alright, buckle up boys and girls, this might be a long video. So welcome to my next unboxing, my Thursday unboxing. I got a lot of stuff, so let's just get right into it. First thing I want to do, unbox this is a black and red tube top. I'm gonna put it on. Right here. Tape. Alright, hold on. I have a motto. Work smart, not hard. Okay. Finally got the bitch open. Yay, look at that. Ooh. It's got these clear those little annoying little things. I guess you're supposed to hang it with on a hanger. Wow. This is nice. It's actually really nice. I'm gonna put it on. Let's try this on. Hey, it's cute. Hey, this is so cute. Wow, I love it. Look how cute this is. Look at this. Okay, now the next thing I want to open is a Jo Malone perfume. Jo Malone, yay! And the scent is called Tropical Cherimoya. Now, it doesn't have a bow on it, but it does have like an off-white yellowish color, kind of smooth, even textured, nice thick border, nice and even. And it's wrapped in paper instead of like foam or whatever. It doesn't look like it's fake. Oh yeah. Look at that. Yeah. Look at that baby. Yeah. Let's test this out. Oh. That smells good. Oh, that smells really good. Damn it. Wow. Good shit. That's really good. Damn. Okay. The next thing I want to unbox is a violet flavored mint candy. It's C. Howard brand. Expiration date 10th of February 2022. I got 3 packs of it for $3 and some change, which means $1 and some change per pack. Smells almost like a shampoo. Really floral scent. I wasn't expecting such a strong floral scent. See if I can open this and taste test it in front of you. Damn. Smells like a something. Doesn't taste very minty. Tastes very floral. Damn. That's good. Whoa. It just tastes like I'm eating powdered violet flower. Oh boy. Ooh, that's overwhelmingly floral. Tastes like I'm eating a mouthful of herbs almost. It's supposed to be mint. It doesn't taste very minty. Man, okay. Well, next item is a pair of blue mirrored flip-up sunglasses. And as you can see, wow, comes in a whole ass glasses box case. Oh, it's got a little clip with it. So, wow. Oh, the camera won't focus. Cat Coco. That's what it says. Oh, I can't wait to open this up. Oh, it's got this with it. It's got a... Don't know what this is. What is... Oh, it's a kit to fix them if they're like broken. Wow. Nice. Damn, it's a whole package. Damn. And they flip up. Yes. Oh, that's so nice. Oh my goodness. Oh. It's like they flip up individually. Look at that. Wow. Look at that. That is beautiful. Oh, wow. There's like springs all over it. It's got springs on this. Ooh. I did not expect that. Ooh, it's a whole package. My God. My goodness. Okay. Next item. Still recording? Good. Okay. Is a Harley Quinn belt. The Batman series. I kind of like Batman. I watch it sometimes. And I like Harley Quinn. Especially Birds of Prey. I have yet to see that, but I really want to. Oh. Look at that. Look at that diamond buckle. Look at... This is supposed to be small, right? Okay. 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 Yay. Oh well. Let's see, hold on. I guess it's like a costume type of cosplay thing. Ooh, hold up. Oh shit, look at that. Look at how cute. Little studs on it. Look at how cute. Look at that. Okay. Flip up sunglasses, Harley Quinn belt. Oh, God. What next? Ooh. I'm excited for this. Okay, so this is green. This is dark. This is supposed to be like a dark green lipstick. Ooh, I've always wanted green lipstick. I got blue lipstick a couple years ago. Beautiful. Beautiful. I mean, where's my mirror? Where? Oh, there's my mirror. I'm gonna try this on right in front of you. Oh. Goes on really easy. Goddamn. Really sharp tip. And it's like, it seems to be kind of broken at the base. All my lipsticks I order on Amazon kind of come like that. Oh well. I fixed my blue lipstick. I've got a lighter. I got means to fix that. Look at that. Beautiful. Don't tell me that's not cute. Don't tell me that's not cute. And I also have another one. I have a black lipstick. Been needing that. Ooh. To give some of my videos some character. If you watch enough of my videos, I think you'll know what I mean. Oh, hearing. God damn. This looks so legit. I'll try this on. Okay, this is a little bit harder to get on there. The green one glides on really easy. And it's just a trial one. I'll do a better job later. I promise. I'm just trying it on. Cute. So cute. Yay. I'm happy. Yes. Okay. I got 2 more items. Just 2 left. This is like a black bow tie, cufflink, and handkerchief square set. I got it in a set because I'm bougie, as you can tell by the way my flip-up sunglasses appeared. I didn't even expect that though, really. That was a lot. Luxury bow tie collection. Luxury bow tie collection. Ooh. Ooh, prestigious. How's that? Okay. You got a little pocket square thingamajig. I don't know. And then you have the star of the show. Your bow tie. Okay, so this connects here to here, and then this adjusts, and it's really goddamn fancy. You also have your cufflinks. Cufflinks. A woman who has cufflinks. Find that somewhere else. Yeah, I think you put these in like some hole in your shirt. I don't know. But this is really cute. Yeah, it just goes around and just clips to the other side. So cute. And the pocket square thing. And last but not least, a silver tie. I love flip-up sunglasses so much. I cannot stop checking myself out. Look. Oh my goodness. Oh. I wonder if this comes with a bunch of other stuff. Okay, nope, just a tie. Now let this be a tutorial right quick on how to tie a tie. For those of you who don't know, I'm going to teach you right quick. Okay, so you start off, you want to have the little side of your tie right here, about right here, maybe at your belly button, maybe just below it. You're going to tie it with the big part, right? You're just going to do this. A woman is teaching you how to tie a tie. Then you're going to, shit, let me try it again to show you. You're going to go like that, underneath, over, like that. It's a simple knot. Then you're going to go like that, and then under here, over, and then, see right here? It's right there. You made that little hole. You're going to put that through here. And you have tied a tie. Yay, you did it. That is how you tie a tie, for those of you who may not know how to tie a tie. I can still smell that perfume, by the way. Absolutely delicious. I hope I was able to teach you how to tie a tie. Thank you for watching this unboxing video.